In this video, I'm going to cover about finding the greatest common factor or GCF and the least common multiple or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using the continuous division. Objectives are 1. Find the greatest common factor or GCF of 2 to 4 numbers using the continuous division. 2. Find the least common multiple or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using the continuous division. Let us have first the definitions of the following. Greatest common factor or GCF. The largest factor that is common to the set of given numbers. Least common multiple or LCM. The smallest number that is multiple of all the given numbers. Prime number. A number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. The first 5 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Example number 1. Find the greatest common factor of 32 and 40. We will find the GCF using the continuous division, also known as the ladder method. Step 1. Write the numbers in a horizontal line. Always remember that every time we divide, we will determine from the first 5 prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11 the common prime factor or divisor that will divide the given numbers. Since 32 and 40 are even, their common factor is 2. Step 2. Write the common prime factor on the left side of 32 and 40. Divide 32 and 40 by 2 and the answers would be 16 and 20. Write the quotients below the numbers. Repeat the process until there is no common prime factor or divisor that will divide the numbers. 16 and 20 are still even numbers, and their common prime factor or divisor is 2. Divide them by 2. The answers are 8 and 10. Write the quotients or answers below the numbers. Again, 8 and 10 are even numbers. Their common prime factor or divisor is 2. Divide 8 and 10 by 2. The quotients are 4 and 5. The process of dividing ends here since 4 and 5 do not have common prime factor or divisor. Step 3. Multiply all the common prime factors on the left side to get the GCF. 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 8 is the GCF of 32 and 40. To find the least common multiple of the same set of numbers, 32 and 40, we are not going to change the process, which is the continuous division. Remember, in finding the LCM, we can only continue the process if there are at least two numbers that can be divided by a common prime factor. But since there is no more common prime factor that will divide 4 and 5, we will stop dividing. Just multiply all the numbers that are in the L shape. We have 2 times 2 times 2 times 4 times 5 equals 160. 160 is the LCM of 32 and 40. Example number 2. To find the greatest common factor of 12, 20, and 24, using the continuous division, step 1, write the numbers in a horizontal line. Then recall the first 5 prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. From these prime numbers, we will determine the common prime factor that will divide all the 3 given numbers. Since 12, 20, and 24 are even, their common factor is 2. Step 2. Write the common prime factor on the left side of 12, 20, and 24. Divide 12, 20, and 24 by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And 24 divided by 2 is equals to 12. Write the quotients below the numbers. Repeat the process until there is no common prime factor or divisor. So, 6, 10, and 12 are still even numbers, and their common prime factor or divisor is 2. Divide 6, 10, and 12 by 2. The answers are 3, 5, and 6. Since 3, 5, and 6 do not have common factor or divisor anymore, the process of dividing ends here. Step 3. Multiply all the common prime factors on the left side to get the GCF. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 is the GCF of 12, 20, and 24. To find the least common multiple of the same set of numbers, 12, 20, and 24, we will not change the method. Remember, we can go on with the process of dividing in finding the LCM if there are at least two numbers that can be divided by a common prime factor. In numbers 3, 5, and 6, we have 3 and 6 that have common prime factor or divisor that will divide them. And that is 3. Divide 3 and 6 by 3. The answers would be 1 and 2. We will just copy 5 since it cannot be divided exactly by 3 without a remainder. Numbers 1, 5, and 2 have no common divisor or factor. So what we are going to do now is multiply all the common prime factors on the left side as well as the numbers on the bottom part of the ladder or numbers that are in the L shape to get the LCM. We have 2 times 2 times 3 times 1 times 5 times 2 equals 120. 120 is the LCM of 12, 20, and 24. Now, let us try answering this activity. Find the GCF and the LCM of each set of numbers by using the continuous division method. Always remember that in finding the GCF, use a common prime factor to divide set of numbers without a remainder. In finding the LCM, use a common prime factor to divide at least two numbers without a remainder.